Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable slow mode for your Discord servers using the mobile app. If you no longer need slow mode in a text channel, here's how you can turn it off easily. Let's get started. Open the Discord app on your mobile device and make sure you're logged into your account. Head over to the server and find the text channel, where slow mode is currently enabled. Press and hold on the text channel's name to bring up the Options menu. From the menu, tap on Settings. In the channel settings, scroll down until you see the slow mode option. You'll see the slow mode slider. To disable slow mode, simply slide it all the way to 0 seconds. Once done, tap the purple save icon in the bottom right corner to save your changes. And that's it! You've successfully turned off slow mode in your Discord text channel. Now, members of the channel can send messages without any time restrictions. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Discord tutorials and tips.